Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry for not making videos recently. I've been kind of busy, especially because of Christmas and all that. I have to be kind of quiet right now because it's almost 12:30. So, right now, what you're seeing right now is what I'm gonna be setting off for my New Year's blast, I guess. It's my Simplex 4901 9817, I think. Yeah, it says cat number. I don't know what C18 means, but then here's my Spectral Alert HR, I guess. I don't know. It's horn only, it's white. I lost the screw for that, so I replaced it with a flathead. And here's my MS2. I got from ForgeA25. Thank you for that. Yeah. It's in alright condition. It still works. By the way, this entire thing is powered by a computer power supply. Here it is. Has these two outputs. These are usually for fans, computer fans. And then I just hooked up the pull station to these black and green wires. I'm pretty sure these are connected to the main board, and when the temperature sensor or something like that senses high heat, it shorts these out and then it sends the fans into high speed. I think that's what happens, something like that. And then there's this thing. I didn't do a very good job at cable management. It kind of looks really bad, especially with the screws. It's kind of unsafe, but it's all temporary. Tried to make a little thing for that, but it's not really working. I'm not going to set this off right now, obviously, and if I could, I still wouldn't, because that would remove the purpose of setting it off on New Year's. These are extremely loud. This is high volume. I also got back boxes, so yay for professionalism. Well, it's not really professional, but you know. So that's it for right now. Thanks for watching, and see ya.